How to turn a video into an audio file on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Then, tap on the down arrow button beside New Shortcut at the top. Here, select Rename. Enter a name for this shortcut and tap on Done. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. From here, turn on the Show in Share Sheet switch. Then, tap on Done. Over here, tap on Images and 18 more. And then, turn off all the switches below except Media as shown. Then, tap on Done. Now, type in Encode Media in the search bar below and tap on it. Tap on the arrow button beside it and turn on the Audio Only switch. After that, change the format to AIFF. Then, go to the search bar again and type in Save. And then, tap on Save File. Tap on Done above. Now, go back and open the Photos application. Open any video from here and then tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. Scroll down to the end and select Video to Audio. Here, choose the folder you want to save the file to and tap on Open. Finally, go to the Files app to view the audio file you just saved. Following these steps, you can easily turn a video into an audio file on iPhone.